Our first step in approaching the theme and character comparison essay is to TTAP our writing prompt. So I have both the 10th and the 11th grade prompts here. We are going to TTAP both of these. Remember that TTAP stands for topic, tone, audience, and purpose. We want to do this every time we have a writing prompt because this keeps us focused on our audience, it keeps us on topic, and it just helps us have a more focused writing experience. So let's start with our 10th grade prompt. You have read and analyzed both Harrison Bergeron and The Lottery. Write an essay in which you compare and contrast how Vonnegut and Jackson use characterization to advance theme. So the first thing I want to do is find my topic. So my topic is how Vonnegut and Jackson use characterization to advance theme. So I'm just going to mark that and highlight it. I'm going to make myself a note that my topic equals the author's use of characterization to build a theme. Rewording your prompt can really help you understand what you're going to write about. All right, so the next thing that I need to do is find my audience. So there's no audience stated here, but this is obviously an academic prompt because I'm writing about pieces that I have read in class. And so I'm going to make a note again that my audience is general academic. And you know what? That tells me that my tone is going to be formal. So the last thing that I have to do is find my purpose. So compare and contrast here gives me an idea as to my writing purpose. I'm going to highlight it in a different color. We'll just make it green. And I'm going to write out my purpose. If I'm comparing and contrasting, that is informational writing. So that is inform and explain. I'm going to explain how these two authors are doing things the same way, how they're doing them differently. If you are an 11th grader, you have the same prompt. You're simply using A and P instead of Harrison Bergeron. So you would unpack yours the same way. Again, you are writing about how Updike and Jackson use characterization to advance the theme. You would have the same topic. Your audience would remain the same. Your tone would remain the same. And your compare and contrast would be your clue to your purpose. So there you go. We have T-tapped our prompts and we are ready to go. Let's go to the next step.